Beddgelert in Mid Wales Cymru, and this is the real Wales. Of course, it's water everywhere and lots of drops to drink. The ancient mariner. Most of England gets its water from this place. Wales meaning. Yes, well, it's a very pretty place, and absolutely it's about 5 o'clock in the evening. I've come over from Harlock and places like that. Oh, listen, that's pretty. Listen to that. That is a river, which I've forgotten the name of. I just looked it up and then I forgot it again. There's the mountains, these mist-covered mountains.
Is it a good time for rafting?
Pardon?
Is it a good time for rafting?
Oh, I should imagine that's brilliant for whitewater rafting.
It's white water.
Well, they call that sort of rafting white. They do it in Wales.
I do rafting on a canoe.
Oh, you've done it on a canoe?
Yeah.
Wow. I've done it on blow-ups.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
No, we did it big.
Well,
this is really fast.
Oh, this is really good. Yeah. I mean, I'm filming this because, yeah, you'll be on it on YouTube later.
When?
Well, today I'm going to put it on YouTube. But I mean, it's blooded. I drove in from Harlock. Yeah.
Where is it?
Harlock is the castle on the west coast. It's about half an hour away.
Is it nice?
Oh yeah. I mean, it's the steepest road in the world. 37.
We saw the roads here.
Well, this one was water everywhere, wasn't it? Where are you coming from?
She's from Manchester.
Manchester? Oh, right. It's a bit of a better difference. Oh, yes, they're very good.
Enjoy it.
They've even got toilet paper. Yes, I was very pleased. Whitewater rafting, I'd love to do it, but this
today.
Not today. Well, no, I need a wetsuit, I think. Oh, I'm just filming this. This is so nice. It's so atmospheric. It's so Wales. Look at those brilliant public toilets. They even open. I mean, you know. Oh dear. You staying here this evening, or?
Pardon?
You staying this evening?
We're staying in Conway.
Oh, in Conway. Oh,
yeah.
That's a lovely place. Lovely little beach.
Yeah.
Oh, but this is the most spectacular.
There's a castle.
The castle, yes. Yeah, I've never actually walked around it. It's always too hot. I ought to go in this weather. But look at this. Look at this. Whitewater rafting would be brilliant on this. Oh, Beddgelert. Oh, these mist-covered mountains. Hello, Whopper. Oh, mine's in the car. He had a lot of trouble finding beaches that had access. Oh, yeah, it's a nice walk there. Oh, la 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 la. Oh, these baptisms of fire. Is that a car? La 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 la. Wow, look at that. La 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 la. These mist-covered mountains, baptisms of fire. La da 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 da, la da 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 da. I like evening. You get the glowing lights. I might manage to get something to eat if they're still open. Oh, look at that water. Wow. La 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 la.